Good morning everyone, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, look today, following our multiple smoothie recipes, I got mango, chia and green apple recipe. So I hope you like it and enjoy the other smoothies we have got. Take care and thumb up. Cheers. So remember, in the channel you got several smoothies. This is just another smoothie. It's just creamy, tasty and yummy and very important, easy to prepare. So let's make it. Like all our previous smoothies, we're gonna add 500 or 600 milliliters milk, and I soak for 10 minutes 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Yeah. Now we're gonna add some banana, green apple, ginger, the juice from 1 lemon, and some Pak Choi. Just all together. Yeah. Just like that, we're just gonna blend it and voila. Yeah, we got it. Now we are gonna add some frozen mango to give the consistency, the smooth consistency of this smoothie. Yeah, look, I got some frozen mango just like this. I am adding one of these cups. This cup is this is 1 liter cup. Yeah, just like that, frozen. Back in the Thermomix, blend it until it gets smooth, the consistency you want to, and just pour it on your glass and just enjoy it. So everyone, I hope you like it. Look, quite easy. Look, the consistency we need. Yeah. So if you like it, please leave your thumb up, your comments down on the comment box, subscribe to the channel, and check out all the previous smoothies we have got. There are also several recipes, salads, meat, fish, a lot of food ideas to enjoy. Yeah. So everyone, take care and have a nice journey. Cheers.